Nebilong AM is a powerful ally in the battle against hypertension, effectively combining two active ingredients, Nebivolol and Amlodipine. This dual-action medication not only lowers blood pressure, but also plays a crucial role in preventing serious cardiovascular events like heart attacks and strokes. Nebivolol, a beta blocker, slows the heart rate, easing the heart's workload, while amlodipine, a calcium channel blocker, widens blood vessels to promote smoother blood flow. While the benefits are significant, users should be aware of potential side effects, including headaches, dizziness, and fatigue, which are generally mild and may lessen over time. It's vital to communicate any existing health conditions to your doctor, especially concerning the heart or respiratory issues, as well as any other medications being taken to avoid interactions. Following the prescribed dosage and maintaining open dialogue with healthcare professionals ensures that Nebilong AM remains an effective tool in managing blood pressure safely and effectively.